Hello friends, this is Prabhakar. In this video we are going to discuss about how to make WhatsApp status using kinemaster software. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon because it motivates me to do a lot more videos. Before starting the video explanation, I will play the WhatsApp status once. I haven't added the movie songs here because of some copyright issues in YouTube. You can add which song you want. I clearly explained how to add a movie song in video. Let me start the video. Open kinemaster app in your mobile phone. Select edit option. Select video ratio 16:9. Click on media option. Here you can choose which image you would like to edit. Select that image and hold at right hand and drag that image as long as you want. Select layer option and select overlayer. Here you can choose some animation effect to make the video looks very good. Select fireworks and select which effect you want. Minimize that sticker and drag and keep where you want to keep. Follow the same previous procedure and select 3 more fireworks effect. Layer, lower layer, fireworks, and select which effect you want. Minimize and drag that sticker where you want to keep. Follow the same previous procedure and select 2 more fireworks effect. Select one more effect. Some special stickers and animation effect you need to download from the kinemaster store. For that you should have a premium version of kinemaster software. Then only you can download the sticker from the kinemaster store. After selecting all 4 effects, select that sticker, hold at right hand and drag up to the length of the video clip. Follow the same procedure and drag remaining 3 effects. Select layer and select overlayer. Choose snow blower. In that, choose come out option. Enlarge the sticker. Select layer and select overlayer. Select firework party. In that you can choose which effect you want. Minimize and keep the sticker where you want to keep. Select layer and select text option and type happy birthday. Click on OK. Select font style option and choose which style you want. Select color option and choose which color you want. Enlarge and keep that. Select the text you written and select overall animation and select ring option. Click on OK. Select layer option and select overlayer. Select curtain call. In that select open curtain option. Enlarge and keep that curtain. Select layer and select overlayer. Select curtain call. In that select close curtain option. Enlarge and keep. You need to keep open curtain at the start of the video and close curtain at the end of the video. You can also add the movie songs to the video clip. Because of some copyright issues in YouTube, I didn't add the movie songs here. I will just show you how to add the movie songs here. Click on song option in your gallery. You need to select which song you want to add and click on plus option. After all the process is finished, let me play the video. And finally you need to export the video you made. Click on export option. Select the video you made. Click on share option. Click on export option. The video will be automatically saved to your gallery after completing 100%. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon because it motivates me to do lot more videos.